Hi everyone, welcome back to Kanen Coffee. Here we have a La Pavoni Europa Cola. This machine was brought in because it was tripping the breaker, and the first step is disconnecting the heating element because it's often the cause, and when the heating element was disconnected it was no longer tripping the breaker, so we knew that was at fault. So it's been replaced, and here it is at temperature and holding pressure, and we'll test it. We're borrowing this drip tray. The machine didn't come with one, but without one it's kind of impossible to get the shot to pour into the cup. Pre-infuse it for a few moments. Looking good. There it is. That's about right, about 1 ounce. Alright, well there you have it, La Pavoni heating holding pressure once again. Thanks for tuning in to Kanen Coffee, and please like our videos.